Hello class 5. Today I am going to start a new chapter in science and the name of the chapter is Our Body, chapter 4. Okay, now come to the chapter. In this chapter we are going to learn about our body, how our body works, what are the different organs and their functions. Okay, now come to the book. You have already studied that our body is composed of cells. There are trillions of cells in a human body. The cells that perform a common function are grouped together to form a tissue. So as we all know that our body is composed of a very tiniest or microscopic elements, that is called cell. Okay, and our body is made up of trillions of cells. Okay, means many more cells से हम लोगों का बॉडी बिल्ड हुआ है. ओके, द cells that perform a common function are grouped together to form a tissue. So a group of cells perform the same function and a group of cells together called tissue. The tissue that carry out the same task form an organ. Similarly, a group of tissues carry the same function or do the same work called organ. सो सेल से बहुत सारे सेल से टिश्यू फॉर्म होता है. ओके, और बहुत सारे टिश्यू से एक ऑर्गन फॉर्म होता है. अ ग्रुप ऑफ ऑर्गन्स दैट वर्क टुगेदर एंड कैरी आउट अ फंक्शन इज कॉल्ड एन ऑर्गन सिस्टम. नाउ अ ग्रुप ऑफ ऑर्गन मीन्स मोर देन 2 or 3 organs work or perform the same activities. That activities are called organ system. ओके, मीन्स ग्रुप ऑफ ऑर्गन्स टुगेदर अगर काम करता है 2 या 3 ऑर्गन, तो उस फंक्शंस को हम लोग बोलते हैं ऑर्गन सिस्टम. नाउ डिफरेंट ऑर्गन सिस्टम परफॉर्म डिफरेंट फंक्शंस एंड टुगेदर मेक अप एन ऑर्गेनिज्म. सो ऑर्गन सिस्टम से क्या बनता है? ऑर्गेनिज्म बनता है. सो रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम, सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम, नर्वस सिस्टम, तो ये सब क्या डिफरेंट सिस्टम है. और ये सभी सिस्टम को अगर हम एज अ होल अगर कहते हैं तो that is called organism. Organisms means things, living things. Okay, living things. So different organs work, they are called organ system. An organ system makes an organism. एक body ready होता है, that is called organism. Okay, now in this chapter we will read about the skeletal system and the circulatory system in detail. So हम लोग इस chapters में skeletal system और circulatory system ही पढ़ेंगे. Skeletal system means study of bones, isn't it? Means हम लोग जो यहाँ पे पूरे bones के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. और circulatory system means blood circulation किस तरह से हमारे body में होता है, that we are going to study. Rather than this, we are having excretory system, then nervous system, then respiratory system and reproductive system. Okay, so total 6 systems are present, जिसमें से सिर्फ हम लोग 2 पढ़ने वाले हैं इस chapters में. Now the skeletal system. The skeletal system is a rigid framework of bones that serves many important functions. So skeletal system क्या है? पूरे जो body हम लोग का जो ready हुआ है जिस bone पे, that is skeletal system. Okay, it provides support, shape and strength to the body, protects the internal organs and also helps in movement of body parts. So bones का क्या काम है कि वो जो हम लोग को support देता है, हम लोग खड़े रह सकते हैं, body shape, strength, internal organs को protect करता है, साथ ही साथ ये movement में भी help करता है. Okay, we walk from here to there or we carry something, that all we are doing just because of our bone, just because of our strength, isn't it? There are 206 bones in an adult human body. So total bones in adult human body is 206. The skeletal system comprises of the skull, backbone, rib cage and limbs. So skeletal system जो है वो total 4 थिंग्स से बना है. स्कल, बैकबोन, रिब केज एंड लिम्स. Okay, look here, pictures of skeletal system is given. Okay, this one is skull, this one is rib cage, backbone, not this one, at the back of this backbone is present, and these are the limbs. Okay, four limbs, hand limbs we are called na, we call four limbs means leg, hand, ये सब में जो ये bones है ये सबको limbs बोलते हैं. And this one is rib cage and this one is skull. So I'm going today I will stop till here. Next day we are going to study more about or in detail about this skull, backbone, cage and limbs. Okay. Now thank you.